Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, we are going to talk about how to switch from support engineering project to development projects. Many of the candidates they are used to mail me or they are used to ask me in the comment box how I can switch from support project to development project. I will guide you how you can easily switch from supporting project to development project. And this support engineering job role is the daily task is repetitive and you may feel boring as well, and you don't expect much growth as a support engineering job. So that is the reason many candidates want to switch from supporting side to development side. What is the exactly process to switch from supporting job to development job? So I will tell you few points here. The first thing is, first to try to switch internally in the same company. Suppose if you are working in any MNC company and you started your career as a support engineer job. So after 1 year, you realize that this job is not suitable for me and I am interested, I am very expert in coding, then you can switch internally only within the same company. You just expose your technical knowledge with your colleagues, okay, who are working in the development side project. Then you can easily switch internally only within the same company if possible is there. Okay, suppose if you are below 2 years of experience candidate, then you can join the internship to expose your technical knowledge. Automatically, your company will take you in the development side project. Okay, and also try to make some relationship or friendship with your with the development team who are working in the same company. Okay, they will guide you as well. Okay, and the next point is expose your technical knowledge when they get opportunity to show. So whenever you are doing a supporting role job, at the same time you have to do a lot of hard work to learn technical skills as well, and also expose your technical knowledge whenever get opportunity. Anyone struggling with bugs in their development project, if you help them to solve those issues in the development project, then you may get opportunity. Yes, this is the right candidate, so he has a good technical knowledge, he can move from support to development project. So they may give opportunity to work internally as well. Okay, and the next point is learn the new skills. Learn the new skills and practice it and do your own projects. When you are doing the same job as a support engineer job, at the same time parallelly you have to learn the latest technologies which are suitable to your profile. Suppose if you want to become React-based developer, then you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, and React.js. Suppose if you want to become full stack developer, learn backend technologies as well. Whatever the skills you like, you have to learn those skills. And then develop your own projects to expose your technical skills. So you have to develop your own projects by your hand, and only you can get some confidence on the technical skills. Then you can become expert in coding. Then you can easily move, then you can easily switch from supporting to development side projects. Next point is try to get development side jobs in startup company. Suppose if you are not get any opportunity in the internal company, whatever company you are working on, if you not get any opportunity, then try to get jobs in the startup companies, and you can show your previous experience, supporting experience as well. Okay, and the next point is after gaining technical experience, switch to another company. That means if you don't get an opportunity in the internal same company, then try to switch another company. Okay, there are huge job opportunities are there for development side projects. So if you feel I am very strong in coding, then I definitely move to from support to development side project. Then you can easily switch that without hesitating. These are the key points to switch from supporting side jobs to development side projects. So I can conclude with 2 points of this video, guys. First, you have to improve your technical skills. Okay, and try to get job and try to get development side project within the internal company only. If not possible, if you don't get an opportunity, then switch to another company. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will reply to your queries. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.